How's it going? So I've been gaining subscribers and I haven't put up a video in a while. I thought I should make one. The reason I haven't put up a video in a while is work has been taxing. But when I was putting out videos a little more regularly, I was taking Fridays off from work because I had a bunch of vacation time saved up. But now that I'm out of vacation time and working full time, I don't have a lot of time to make videos. So also I've been focusing on adding features to my trading platform. There's videos about my trading algorithm and how it works on my channel if you want to look those up. But as an aside, my day job is my current priority, and then my personal projects, where sometimes I'll make videos about those projects if I feel that it's something that's useful or isn't easily found on the internet kind of thing, or it's not proprietary. But then taking on your project requests, which I'll always make a video about if I work on one of your projects. And I do appreciate your requests because it helps me come up with new ideas on what to make for videos. So I am keeping a list on what you guys recommend. As for those that have offered to pay me work, I'm not looking to do freelance. That's not what this channel is about. And there's platforms where you can ask people to build you custom code. Those platforms may be a lot cheaper because one, it's developers in other countries, which their costs are a lot different than what's in the United States. So I'm really expensive, like really expensive. So I'm just doing requests for videos as to specific custom work for random people. So keep that in mind when suggesting. Also keep in mind that I have a bunch of other priorities on top of just making YouTube videos. So but if you do request a project to be made and you would like to make some payments, there's always the subscriptions that you could toss money my way to elevate the priority of your request. I do worry about trying to get stuff done that people are paying to request it to get done. So as for some secondary stuff, what this video is mostly about, if you're a coder and looking for a charting library to help you with stock market trading, I found a really good one. It's made by TradingView. It's open source. It's free. I'm not yet an expert on their library, but they have a lot of documentation, so it's easy to use. I haven't done much with it, so I haven't really felt the need to make a video yet on it. If I come across some features that I think are worthy of a video, then I'll take some time to make that. But I've only inserted into a web page. I haven't done much. Well, I fed it some data and put it in the page. I haven't done much. But if you would like a more in-depth video on that library, let me know in the comments. For the people that are not coders that follow my channel, it's not really the audience I'm targeting, but I'm trying to be flexible. And you probably should consider learning to code. If you're into stock market trading and you understand math, to automate trades, you need to learn how to program. I mean, math and programming are pretty much the same thing. So I could break it down pretty easily using math and as an example on how programming works. If that's something of interest, I'm willing to go that far with that. But I'm trying to focus more on tips of coding to people that understand the basics of programming as opposed to entry-level programming, because there's a ton of videos out there or YouTube channels out there that do how to code in this programming language, how to code in that programming language. And so me just creating another channel that talks about how to code isn't very useful. So I'm going to continue to stay at the higher level of I expect you to know what a function is, or an if statement, or classes, that kind of stuff is my level of expectation on the videos I produce. But if you still don't want to code, TradingView has a web application. It's free and has paid capabilities. It's a tool that I've been using for quite a while. It's very helpful. It also ties into brokerages. So if you want it to be connected to your brokerage account and you place your trades on that on TradingView, then it'll place the trade on your brokerage account. Again, if that's something of interest, I can do a deep dive on TradingView, but I'm pretty sure that there might be people out there with YouTube videos on TradingView, because I've come across a few. I mean, that's how I learned about it. So, as for the requested projects, here's a list that I'm still considering working on making YouTube videos about. If your project's not on there and you did make a request, feel free to remind me and make another request. I don't catch everything, or I forget about stuff, one of the two, I don't know. But I'm trying to get these done as soon as I can. My stock market trading is doing pretty well, so I'm trying to free up some more time to focus on YouTube videos, but I haven't quite made that decision yet. So it may be a little while before I make it. I'm waiting for the market to take a nosedive, and it did today. So and I didn't successfully trade the swing, so it's annoying. Well, my algorithm sees it as a small trade, so it ignores it, where I'm trying to trade those small swings. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. That's what I'm trying to get accomplished. And as I said, let me know your expectations, or if you want to see more coding videos, if you want to see more tutorials on how to use stock market trading applications. I'm open to suggestions, but priorities are I got a lot of priorities on the plate, so don't expect too much, I guess. Thanks for watching. Until next time.